Nada bro.
Advertisement ya CSC na nika-apply. I applied for the job ya replacement ya permanent and pensionable and I qualified na nikapeleka dokumenti zangu nikaitwa vetting and I signed an employment letter. Na hii employment letter inaniambia kwamba nikisign nishapata kazi na hakuna employment letter ingine nitapata, only to go and pick my posting letter. Nikaambiwa haiko. We were employed by TSC of Kenya. We wrote the posting letters. When we went to TSC offices, we were told that our letters of posting are with the Honorable Jinji. Now we are in the office of our Honorable Jinji Getonga Morugara. We are requesting for our posting letters.
We haven't received our posting letters, but other teachers whom we were filling with their posting letters, they received theirs. When we asked, we were told that our Honorable MP is the one who owns our posting letters. So it's our request that he release our posting letters, that we go back to schools and teach the learners. The learners are there waiting for us.